you want to get today?
Yeah, so I'm looking to kind of just get like a fade on the side, keep it more of like the fringe, kind of like bangs in the front, and kind of just add some real texture in the top in a sense, and kind of just really blend it in.
So you want to like skin out the side, basically?
Yeah, or maybe like a half or one, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
maybe let's do like a half.
A half?
Yeah.
You got it, man. Let's do it. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our machine all the way, which is a half. And we're going to bring it to the temple area of the head, and we're going to follow that all the way around the head to the other side. So for our second step, we're gonna go ahead and grab our number 2 guard, as you can see on the machine. And we're gonna close that machine up all the way, and we're gonna flick our wrist and scoop into the hair. As you see in the motion I was making, you're gonna scoop into the hair. Now at this point of the haircut, you can choose to do clipper over comb, you can do scissors over comb, or you can also use a machine. So this is what we're doing here. We're just using a machine, and we're grazing into that hair, making a scooping motion, and creating our wall, creating space for us to fade. So at this point of the haircut, things are about to change. We're dropping to our 1.5 guard. We're gonna put that on the machine. And we're gonna start with our machine closed, making a flicking motion, but as we get higher, we're gonna open that lever. So as you can see me closing it, and as we get higher, we're gonna open a lever. The reason why you open a lever, because you wanna blend into that previous guard, which was the 2, and now we have a 1.5. As we get higher, we're gonna open our lever to blend into the previous guard. Okay, things are about to change a little bit more. We're dropping now to our 1 guard. We're gonna use those same steps that we used on the previous guard. We're gonna close the machine. As we get higher, we're gonna open it up, but we're doing it 3 different times. As you can see, it's closed. Flick our wrist. We're gonna go in the middle, flick our wrist, and then we're gonna go to the bottom of the lever, flick our wrist, and that's really gonna give you that blend. Now again, use shorter strokes, take your time, because this is when the fade starts to take place. And now for our last guard, which is our half, we're gonna use the same technique that we used on the previous guard. We're gonna start with our machine closed. As we get higher, we're gonna open up the lever. We're gonna put it in the middle. As we get higher, we're gonna open it up all the way. And we're gonna remember to flick our wrist. And again, you're gonna do shorter strokes, because we don't wanna go any higher than we already did. So we wanna make sure that we do short strokes so we can just stay right at the bottom. If you concentrate and take your time and stick to the bottom of the head, you won't bring the fade any higher. A lot of times people bring the fade too high because they start to move that machine up and they don't flick their wrist. Very key, guys. So at this point of the haircut, we're all nice and blended. So what I did was grab an outliner. We're gonna go ahead and create a rounded effect on the side. Now you can choose to make it slimmer, you can make it wide. I kept it wide. He wanted to leave his beard natural. He didn't want to shape that up. So we just kind of just shaped up the side, and so he can have a nice sort of fade, can look nice, so the fade can pop out. And you can do the same thing on the other side. You want to go around the neck. We left the back of the neck open, kind of like a taper. This way it has a nice blended look, and we don't have to square it, we don't have to round it, whatever it is. You're gonna do the same thing on this side. Now that we got them all lined up with our T outliner, we're gonna have to grab a straight razor. So we're gonna use the Easy Blade double edged razors and the Easy Blade straight razor along with our Easy Blade shave gel. You can grab this on our website, easybladeshavingproducts.com. I applied the shave gel in the area in need of a shave. And what I'm doing here is basically stretching his skin and just making sure that I shaped him up correctly, keeping it as wide as possible. That's how he wanted it, just to give it that nice look. And as you can see, the fade is really starting to pop out. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do this on each side of the head just to make that fade really pop out. Now here's what we have, guys. We gave him a half fade, a nice crisp lineup. The top is textured, all right? And this is basically what we have, guys. If you guys do like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see next. Let us know what you thought. I will talk to you guys soon. Again, Jay here from easybladeshavingproducts.com.